Marketing features. First one, customer focus. The marketing function of a business is customer centered. It makes an attempt to study the customer needs and goods are produced accordingly. The business existence is depending upon human needs. In a competitive market, the goods that are best suited to the customer are the ones that are well accepted. Hence, every activity of the business is customer oriented. A business can come into existence to make the profit by providing the required goods and services to the customers who are basically the human beings. So that a proper study need to be made in connection with assessing the customer needs, and the same goods and services need to be produced and provided accordingly so that they can face the competition in the market and survive for the longer period. So all business activities and marketing functions are customer centered. Second one, customer satisfaction. A customer expects some services or benefits from the product for which payment is made. If this benefit is more than the amount paid, then the customer is satisfied. In the long run, customer satisfaction helps to retain market demand. It helps in achieving organizational objectives. So, customer satisfaction can be enhanced by providing value added services. In addition to providing goods and services to the customer, every business should take all possible steps to see that goods and services are giving proper satisfaction to that particular customer, because he is the one who is making the payment with the expectation of the satisfaction. So the satisfied customer retains as a customer of that business for the longer period, so that a business can achieve its organizational objective in the form of increasing sales and through sales earning more profit. So all possible steps can be taken by the business to enhance the satisfaction level of the customers by providing some value added services. Then third one, objective oriented. All marketing activities are objective oriented. So different objectives are fixed at different levels, but the main objective is to earn profit from the business along with the satisfaction of human wants. Marketing activities undertaken by sellers make an attempt to find out the weaknesses of the existing system, and measures are taken to improve the shortfalls so that the objectives are achieved. So each and every marketing activity has their own objectives, but all these objectives are targeted towards earning profit, so that each and every activity, that may be either distribution of the product, packaging of the product, promotional activities, or whatever, all are targeting towards earning profit at the end. So a proper analysis need to be made time to time by the sellers so that they can find out the existing weaknesses in the existing system, and measures can be taken to come out or improve that situations. Next, marketing is both art and science. So art is a specialized skill which a person has to perform a particular activity most effectively and efficiently. In the same manner, science, it is a systematic body of knowledge based on facts and principles and combination of different facts which can be tested all over the world, and we can get similar type of results. So marketing also adopting different types of arts and science in performing its activities, which includes a bunch of social sciences such as economics, sociology, psychology, law, etc. It indicates market operations based on some principles. Hence, marketing is an art as well as a science, but it is not a pure science. Next feature is continuous and regular activity. Marketing is an activity designed to plan, price, promote, and distribute products. At the same time, it also addresses both the current and future consumers. Thus, it is a continuous process. A marketer has to consistently monitor environment. This helps in coming up with new products. Marketing activities are not constant, they are subject to change from time to time, and they are repetitive activities. There is no end for these marketing activities, because the number of customers will be either increasing or decreasing or constant or whatever. And because of the changes in situations in different type of environments, the marketing activities need to be conducted time to time most effectively and efficiently in connection with planning, pricing, promoting, distributing the products what we are producing or the services what we are providing. So these activities should be in such a manner that should address both the current and future consumers, what they are expecting, what information they need about the goods and services, all that to be provided both to the current customers and also the future customers, so that it is a continuous process. So time to time the environment to be monitored, so that what type of new goods and services are expected by the customers, that can be produced and provided accordingly. Next one is, it's an exchange process. Marketing involves exchange of goods and services and ideas with the medium of money. Exchange takes place between sellers and buyers. So functions such as distribution, after sale service and packaging help in exchange process. Channels of distribution and physical distribution play an important role in the exchange process by creating place utility. So marketing involves exchange process. It consists of sellers and buyers. Sellers are going to sell their goods and services. Buyers are going to pay the value for that goods and services what they are purchasing. In doing this, the functions of marketing like distribution, after sales services, packaging will help in this exchanging process between sellers and buyers. So channels of distribution, physical distribution, they are also contributing a lot in conducting this marketing activities. So it is another feature of marketing is it is a exchange process. Next feature is marketing environment. So different policies, that is economic policies, market conditions, environmental factors such as political, technological, demographic and international influence marketing activities. So marketing activities are inseparable from such environmental factors. A successful marketer need to adopt these changing factors and adjust marketing strategies to suit new market developments. So a business need to perform its activities in a particular environment, which can be controllable, which cannot be controllable. Okay, the economic policies of the government, the market conditions, the competitions, the buyers, introduction of new products, the environmental factors like political, technological, demography, all have their own influence on marketing activities. So marketing activities are inseparable. We cannot, any business cannot go out or escape from the influence of this marketing environment. Within that environment only a business need to perform its market related activities, and proper strategies need to be made from time to time, so that business can face all type of situations and achieve the success. So another important feature of marketing is it has its own environment, which are controllable and uncontrollable, which has a positive or negative impact on the marketing activities of a business. Another feature is marketing mix. A combination of four inputs constitute the core of a company's marketing system, that is product, price, place and promotion. So marketing mix is a flexible combination of variables. So they are influenced by consumer behavior, trade factors, competition and government regulatory measures. Okay, so marketing mix, we are going to find basically four marketing aspects, that is product, price, place and promotion. The product is required, which is expected by the consumers, that need to be produced, and the price need to be fixed according to the or on the basis of the cost incurred or the competition or the government rules and regulations or whatever. And we need a particular place, either a physical place or a virtual place, where a buyer and seller can meet together and the exchange activity can takes place. And also it requires the promotion, that is made available the different information about the product, the price and the place where the product is available, at what value it is available, what are the features, etc., etc. So these aspects need to be mixed in a proper way, and it has a flexible combination, it is not fixed. Okay, the quantity, the quality, the price, the place and promotion strategies are changing from time to time, and these marketing mix are influenced by various factors like consumer behavior, trade factors, competition and government regulatory measures. Within that only, this marketing mix need to be optimized by any business activity to achieve their basic business objectives. Next one is integrated approach. The marketing activities must be coordinated with other functional areas of an organization. Functions such as production, finance, research, purchasing, storekeeping, and public relations are to be integrated with marketing. This will help in achieving organizational objectives, otherwise, it will result in organizational conflicts. So, the marketing activities are not just related to selling the goods. Okay, the goods need to be produced, so that production activity to produce that particular goods, the requirements like raw material, human beings, machinery, land, building, etc., etc., to procure this, they need to depend on finance. In the same manner, time to time, proper advancement need to be there in that particular product, so that research and development activity to be conducted, and the purchasing of raw materials, purchasing of various machineries, etc., and keeping that particular goods in the form of raw materials or work in progress or the finished goods, so to store keeping, and also having a public relations, that is the, it may be the present consumers or the future consumers, so meeting their requirement in the form of giving sufficient data or information according to their requirement. So all are integrated with marketing. So if each and every activities are performed according to the plan, then only the basic objective of the business can be achieved, that is earning profit through sales. So sales individually cannot take place, so it is an integrated activity like production, finance, human resource, research and development, storekeeping, purchases, purchase, etc., etc. If all the activities are performed systematically according to the standard what they already fixed, so that helps any business organization in achieving their pay, all the organizational objectives. So these are the marketing features of any business organization.